Hello again, my lovelies. It is day 6 of our 7 days of soup, and we are making a country favorite, bean and bacon soup. First, we'll arrange a pound of bacon strips on a metal rack positioned over a foil-lined cookie sheet and bake in a 450-degree oven for 20 to 30 minutes or until golden brown and crispy. Setting the bacon aside to cool, chop 1 yellow onion into about half-inch pieces. We'll do the same with 2 stalks of celery, and a cup and a half of baby carrots. Try to keep all the pieces roughly the same size so they cook evenly. Next, peel and roughly chop 4 cloves of garlic. You can add more or less garlic to you and your family's taste. To our soup pot, we'll add 3 tablespoons of reserved bacon grease, and we'll saute our vegetables and garlic for 3 to 5 minutes over medium heat until the onions are soft and translucent. We'll add 4 cups of chicken stock and 2 15-ounce cans of kidney beans that have been rinsed and drained. Give this a good stir, lid up, and simmer for 20 to 30 minutes over medium-low heat. While the soup simmers, chop the now cooled bacon into 1/2 to 1/4 inch pieces to your taste. When 20 to 30 minutes have passed, remove the bay leaf from the soup. Ooh, watch out, hot. And either pour the soup into a standing blender or grab your immersion blender like this one and blend until the soup is your desired smoothness. Then add the chopped bacon to the pot. Also adding 4 ounces of tomato sauce. Stir well and taste for seasoning, adding salt and pepper to taste. Then serve, adding such toppings as sour cream or chives if you desire. Thank you for joining me, and I'll see you next time.